how to sign out from your Duolingo application, Duolingo account or application. So in this today's video, I will tell you guys how to do this. Just watch this video till the end. So first, you need to open your Duolingo as you know, and after this, come here to your profile. Open it. Wait little until it show you your profile. Because my connection is not that good, that's why it's taking a long to open. So anyway, it's not our topic. When it's opening, guys, wait, come right now to your settings, and here on your settings you will find here sign out. Click on it and that's it. So I hope guys these videos have for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel, and see you in another